The WeatherTech Door Protector protects your vehicle inside door panels from scratches, scuffs, dirt, and more. Made from durable coated polyester fabric, the door protector is stain resistant and allows your dog to stand to interact with your vehicle's door panels without scratching it up or slobbering all over. The stain resistant fabric is also fantastic for young children that may spill juice, dribble, or create other messes while riding in the back seat. The door protector attaches to your door panel using tuck-in retention tabs. Simply slide the tabs in between the window glass and interior door panel. The retention tabs will keep the protector in place as the window is moved up and down. Easily removed, the door protector can be folded and stowed or thrown into the washing machine to clean. The door protector is available in 2 sizes and 4 colors and works in cars, trucks, and SUVs.